All right, watching the week 24 walkthrough here. So Monday, we got a weird schedule of the week because of ACT. What I want you to do first is take this ACT feedback form. Just give me some feedback about how our ACT prep looked like. You'll get credit for doing that. And then there's a practice science test for the ACT. As you notice here, it has the full section. So sections 1 through 5 through 7. Basically, what I'd like you to do, it's 40 questions in 35 minutes. What you're going to do is, set a timer for 35 minutes, and then you're going to read through it. Okay, you're going to do it like you would a science section and see what happens at the end. Okay, so you got sections, obviously it isn't there, and so forth. It also gives you, let's say, I'm just going to guess here. Without even reading. Answer. And then it tells you incorrect response, correct response, and so forth as you go through. Okay, so it tells you if you get them right or not. We can hit that part at the end, but basically, you're thinking about doing it the same way that we would do anything else. So that's on Monday. Then you're going to take the actual ACT on Tuesday during school. And then Thursday, we have to take Unit 5, Entry 2 and 3 notes. Then we're going to watch a little video on reactions. That'll be pretty short. We're not going to do a lot with that just because of time. And that's what we got going on. All right, love you guys. Bye.